What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, I have another case from UAG. They were kind enough to send me out the Metropolis LT for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. This has 18 feet drop protection, built-in magnet for MagSafe, so pretty much we're just gonna crack this baby open. And I cannot forget that this has built with Kevlar, and that is a very, very nice, rich material. So we're just gonna open this bad boy up like so. And I am digging the design on this. I'm usually not a green kind of fan, but this will go good with my iPhone wallpaper right now. So we're gonna rock out with this case. So pretty much this is the Kevlar. Feels really, 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 really good and nice. I like how that feels. So pretty much this is the Metropolis LT for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you want to pick this case up, you will have to pay $64.95 plus tax. I will have a link in the description to where you can come pick this up for yourself. This currently comes in 2 different colors. So it comes in Kevlar Olive, and that is what they currently sent out to me. And you also get it in Kevlar Black. That black really does look sick, but I do like the green, the olive that they sent me out. So pretty much this is what it will look like on your device, if you can see that. So now I am going to place this on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, just like so. It has a nice snug fit. I can feel that when I installed it on the device, but it does have some protection, and I'm currently rocking their screen protector that they sent out to me. So pretty much this is what you're going to get for your lip protection. You know, it's a little lip, it's not much, but if you add on a screen protector, you will be good and protected. So like I said, I always like to rock a screen protector if I can. So pretty much this is what it looks like. It feels good in the hand. Like I said, it's thin weight, it's lightweight, so this is already a light device, and it's not adding any more bulk to it as I have it on the device. Like I said, you do get nice button presses. They're nice and clicky. Over here you get access to the action button that is new, you know, action button. You get your volume up and down button, which are, I took screenshots, but you get your action button, which is nice and clicky like it should be, and your volume down is also nice and clicky as it should be. Down here you get access to all of your ports that you should have access to. You get that lanyard loop, so if that's something that you're into, you can throw you a lanyard on there if you want to do that. You do get some feet. I call these feet for corner drop protection, so if your phone drops on the edge of the table or the floor, you should be good to go. You get that nice Kevlar on the back, which feels real good. You get a nice deep cutout for that camera. Up here it says MIL-ST 810G 516.6. Down here it says Urban Armor Gear. Overall this just feels and looks amazing. Like I said, I'm a big fan of UAG cases. You know, me and UAG cases go way, way back. Way back. I used to buy these cases all the time. Not this one in particular, but the Plasma series. I used to buy that case all the time, so I knew this one wouldn't disappoint me. So this was the Metropolis LT, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.